The College of Veterinary Medicine at the University of Tennessee is not only a place of learning for veterinary students, but also a place to take pets to receive a wide variety of services. By having so many different services offered for animals, it allows the students to learn as much as they can during their time at UT. The procedures range from a simple checkup for your cat, to getting your cow's hoof sanded down, to even getting cataract surgery for your dog. One very big part of the College of Veterinary Medicine is the physical therapy that is offered for the animals. The physical therapy treats a wide variety of conditions such as surgery rehab, overweight animals, and animals that are paralyzed. This is Diesel. He is receiving physical therapy for a spinal surgery that he received a few months back. Since he is still too weak to walk long distances on his own, he has to be put into a dog wheelchair to help him get around. This allows him to get the exercise that he needs to rehab his injury. One of the more unique forms of physical therapy that's offered by the clinic is the water treadmill therapy.
Treadmill is a low-impact cardiovascular aerobic activity. The water carries a percentage of their body weight, so it's lower impact on the joints, as well as the water creates a resistance that they have to put more effort into walking. So I think they said a 30-minute walk in water treadmill is equal to a 45-minute to an hour-long walk outside because of the effort they put into it. We can use it for post-op surgical, getting the dog back to using their leg. We use it for arthritic dogs to help keep the range of motion and the joints lubricated. We use it for those who are stabbed to help with their weight loss.
And for the animals that cannot stand up or are too big for the water treadmill, there's also a pool to swim around in. One of the more well-known patients of the clinic is Mabel the Beagle.
So Mabel came to the Young Williams Animal Shelter about the middle of December of 2011, and her owners had brought her in because she was too big for them to take care of anymore. When she got to the shelter, she weighed about 67 pounds. She's a dog that should probably weigh more like 23 to 24 pounds. She was 3 times the size that she needed to be. And the veterinarians at Young Williams were great with her, and they got her to lose some weight, but they wanted her to come to UT to do our fat camp, which is a combination of physical therapy and nutrition management. And so she arrived in early January, and I was kind of wanting a dog anyway, and so I saw her, and she was the fattest dog that I had ever seen, and I do obesity research is what I do, and she was still the fattest dog that I had ever seen. It's physical therapy 3 days a week with the underwater treadmill, and she does the treadmill for about 15 minutes twice a day. And then on the days that she doesn't do physical therapy, mostly I just kind of leave her out in my backyard with a fence, and so she gets to kind of walk around the yard and get some exercise doing that. I'm feeding her a prescription weight loss diet, so she eats actually a pretty small amount of food for her size.
Another well-known patient of the clinic is University of Tennessee's mascot Smokey. Smokey is receiving physical therapy for a torn ACL he had surgery on in January. Right now he is going through water therapy as well as balance therapy to rehab his knee. The veterinarians say he is doing great and is getting back to his rowdy self. Although the clinic treats mostly common animals like cats and dogs, it also serves some not-so-common animals in the exotic and large animal sciences side of the hospital. The large animal sciences building in the hospital treats mostly farm animals such as horses, cows, and pigs, but they can also treat more unique animals such as tigers or bears. Here is a more unusual animal that was brought into the clinic. He is a groundhog that was found with a hurt hind leg. So the College of Veterinary Medicine is not only a great place for learning, it is also a place to take your animals when they are in need of love and care.